840 Northwest 60th Street. We're doing a camera inspection from a clean out on the northeast corner of the home. We're sitting down in the city main, just rinsing off my lens there real quick. Gonna zero out my footage to get a count of how much 6-inch material would be needed. We're gonna be pulling back through 6-inch diameter clay pipe. There's a crack there on the bell to the main. You can see it going all the way up to the top there. There's a nice crack going all the way down the side. And that is on the downstream bell. Coming back, we have an offset there. Liner could repair that. Alright, coming up on this broken section of pipe, I'm going to pause the recording really quick and go locate this.
Yeah, I mean that's, like you said, there's always been, well, I'm trying to remember now how long, there's always been like a little bump there, a little, like in the street. So, I don't know, was it last year? I just can't remember. I mean, it definitely got worse in the last probably 6 months.
I feel like, I just restarted the video, so we just missed 10 feet. I did get it in the strip, but this was a little too close to the curb. I want to get as close to the sidewalk side as possible. Alright, this spot is located 5 feet deep out in the planting strip. Gonna zero my footage out. Coming back now. Lots of root intrusion through this section, every bell basically from this point back. There's a Y there. We tested the line coming from the west side of the house, and it comes into this setup here in the basement on the east side of the house. So I believe this line is completely abandoned. We'll do some more testing to confirm. "63 feet of 4-inch back into cast iron. Coming up as a there's the clean out access, the stack, whole system, and the sump pump. Gonna end the recording there.